So what makes Dycor special? Dycor's been around since 1981, servicing the oil and gas market in Alberta, and from that we have branched out into several other industries around North America. We have a team that's been together, actually many of us, for 10, 15, some 20 years, and we've got a good rapport. Quality is very important to us. We don't let anything go out the back door until we know it's been proven and we know it's going to work in the environment that it was intended for. We've got engineers, assemblers, we do the electrical, mechanical, software, and we put it all together. And we believe that as a small team, we're able to make very quick decisions, and we're able to provide solutions in an appropriate time period and in a cost-effective manner.
If